How to make Wi-Fi internet faster on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Today I'll tell you only one single step through which your internet speed, especially on Wi-Fi, will be way faster than earlier. Please make sure you watch the whole video, and guys, if you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe. So the very first step you need to do is to do a right click in the start icon and then click on Device Manager. You can do the same on Windows 10 and Windows 11 both. Now, once the device manager is open, here we need to go to this network adapters. Now, in network adapters, you might be using MediaTek or Intel or any other manufacturer wireless device. So this is especially for Intel wireless adapter. This works best on Intel wireless adapter. If you're using MediaTek, you might not find these settings which I'm going to share. So I have Intel wireless AC, the Wi-Fi adapter. I just need to do a right click and I'll go to properties and then I'll go to the advanced tab at the very top. Now, once I'm here in the Advanced tab, there are a few things which we need to keep in mind. The very first important part is Fat Channel Intolerant. Please make sure it is disabled. Once you ensure that it is disabled, then move to the next, which is Preferred Band. Now, here, if your network adapter supports 5 GHz band, I would recommend to select Prefer 5 GHz band, and from here channel width as well, make it auto. For 2.4 GHz and channel width for 5 GHz, please make sure you select it auto for the same. So if you have a 5G connection, 5 GHz connection, it will select that. So here the very first option we need to select is the fat channel, and then we need to select preferred band and channel width for 2.4 GHz and channel width for 5 GHz. All these things will be auto. Now, once you have selected, the last and very powerful step is for roaming aggressiveness. Now, the lower the roaming aggressiveness, higher the internet speed. So if it is highest to the 5 or 4, make it 1. Now this will drastically increase the internet performance, the speed, and make it lowest and click on OK. In transmit power, you can select the highest. Higher the transmit power, higher the internet speed. So these are the only settings which you need to make sure you do it, and just click on OK and restart the computer. Even you can restart your Wi-Fi and see the difference in your Wi-Fi internet. You can do a test by just visiting fast.com, check the internet speed before and check the internet speed after. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day, and please leave a comment if you have successfully done that.